In 2004, founding partners, including Orca Holding, which has years of experience in the textile and ready-to-wear sector, started making an investment in order to continue all their manufacturing activities in Giresun. Accordingly, manufacturing started in 2004 after the completion of the shirt factory with the capacity of 1,500 shirts a day. A capacity of 2,500 complete shirts a day has been reached in 2005 with an investment in capacity. Manufacturing continued with another investment in 2006, raising the number to 350 suits and 300 pants a day. In 2008, employment reached a number of 550 people, and an investment in capacity helped reaching the manufacturing of 650 suits and 500 pants a day. The second factory investment was completed in 2014, thereby a manufacturing capacity of 4,000 shirts, 1,000 suits, and 800 pants a day was reached. The number of employees has reached 800 people. The investments made in Giresun rapidly became Turkey's fastest growing, most innovative men's ready-to-wear center with high productivity and quality. It soon became the primary producer of many renowned brands, foremost including Orca Holding's global brands, Damat, Tween, and Ds Damat. Our manufacturing areas have been structured accordingly with international accreditations regarding environmental health, work safety, and all social criteria, and have been duly certified by the international audit company SGS. The selective work